These days, technology solutions need to be web, mobile, and cloud-enabled. Getting this accomplished with an in-house team can be difficult and very expensive. We understand that turning your idea into reality within an aggressive timeline is a challenge faced by many CTOs. Have you ever tried outsourcing your software development? The technology experts at Suma can help you with this. We can deliver solutions for web, mobile, and cloud, with quicker deliveries and faster go-to-market. Did you know that 57% of CTOs are outsourcing their in-house development? So here's why you should outsource too. Outsourcing your in-house software development provides better ROI, so you can focus on building your core business competencies. With over 17 years of experience, the developers at Sumasoft have experience in designing and developing enterprise-level apps and solutions on all leading technology stacks. So what can be outsourced in general? Anything from mobile apps to complex enterprise-level web solutions. We have expertise in developing with various technologies like Java, PHP, ROR, .NET, Python, Android, iOS, mobile cross-platform, Django, Odoo, SharePoint, Microsoft Dynamics, Azure, and many more. What can we do for you? We can deliver solutions to SMEs and large enterprises. And what do our clients say? They are happy. We have successfully delivered 500+ projects to clients from 10+ industries. So do you need to get things done? Contact Sumasoft. We are ready to start working.